Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming Apple ID consistency across devices because syncing depends on one account. Sign in now on iPhone, iPad, Mac, and Apple Watch and enable 2FA for security. Once done, turn on iCloud and select Essentials, Photos, Contacts, iCloud Drive so data flows. Make sure each device is on the latest OS to avoid feature gaps. Finally, connect to a reliable Wi-Fi and plug into power. Syncing large libraries needs stable network and battery. Next, you configure detailed sync settings so everything behaves predictably. On each device, open iCloud settings and toggle individual app sync, documents, keychain, calendars, because granular control prevents duplicates. Enable messages in iCloud to keep conversations consistent across devices and turn on iCloud Drive for files. For photos, choose iCloud Photos to mirror libraries, or use shared albums if you need selective sharing. Make sure device storage options, like Optimize iPhone Storage, are set according to available space. To finish, verify that data appears on all devices. Open contacts, notes, photos, and a sample file in iCloud Drive. If something's missing, force a sync by toggling an app off and on, or sign out and back into Apple ID. This refreshes iCloud. Also check iCloud storage, exceed limits and sync stalls, so upgrade or free space. If issues persist, reset network settings and restart devices. As a last step, contact Apple support with device logs. This helps resolve stubborn edge cases quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.